So the Repair Café initiative started in the Netherlands around 2007, and since then it has spread worldwide, and there are around 2,200 repair cafes nationally, and we have a number in the United Kingdom. So we set one up here in Black Notley as an opportunity to serve the community, but significantly for things to stop going down the tip and into landfill, but rather to give a second lease of life to things that may just need a bit of fixing. So we have a number of volunteers who come and help each month. We have seamstresses, electricians, mechanics, carpenters, and then we also have people who are just keen hobbyists, jacks of all trades and masters of some, and they all help and get as many things fixed as possible. So that's the concept of the Repair Café, and it's been running now for 4 years here. As a church, we like to believe that we are not a community centre, but the centre of the community. So this is very much a strong element of what we do, beyond the coffee house that runs in conjunction with the repair part of the Repair Café, and we have a number of other things that take place during the week as well.